Studies gives you accurate and relevant knowledges for better preparation for the upcoming examination. One. If two commodities are perfect substitutes, the shape of the indifference curve. Options: A will be a straight line, B will a right angle, C will slope downwards, D will slope upwards, E will be a parabola. Two. If the shape of demand curve is rectangular hyperbola, the price elasticity is equal to. Options: 1. B less than 1, C 0, D greater than 1, E less than 0. Three. Consumer's surplus is the difference between. Options: A the price that the consumer is willing to pay on what he actually pays, B the income and expenditure, C total revenue and total cost, D supply and demand, E total revenue and. Four. Cobweb model is applied to explain the theory of. Options: A production, B consumption, C employment, D distribution, E demand, supply and price over long run. 5. Under the principle of equimarginal utility, the equilibrium is the point where. Options: A MUX/PX equals MUY/PY, B MUX/PX greater than MUY/PY, C MUX PX MUY/PY, D MUX/PX less than MV/Pi, E MUX/PX plus MV pi. 6. If two factors are complementary to each other, then the shape of the isoquant will be. Options: A vertical straight line, B right-angled shape, C concave to the origin, D convex to the origin, E horizontal straight line. 7. If the income effect is positive for both the goods X and Y, then the income consumption curve will slope. Options: A upward to the right, B backward to the left, C parallel to x-axis, D downward to the right, E parallel to y-axis. 8. Revealed preference theory was developed by. Options: A Professor P. A. Samuelson, B. James Tobin, C. Hicks Allen, D. J. I. Hicks, E. Dupuit. 9. In Cobb-Douglas production function, the elasticity of factor substitution is equal to. Options: A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4, E 0. 10. The only possible equilibrium positions in an Edgeworth production box is where. Options: A isoquants intersect each other, B isoquants are tangent to each other, C isoquants intersect outside to ridgeline, D isoquants are parallel to. 11. The ridgelines are the locus of points of where marginal product of one of the factor is. Options: A 0, B less than 1, C equal to 1, D more than 1, E negative. 12. Increasing returns to scale is due to. Options: A existence of external economies, B. Existence of external diseconomies. C. Over expectations of the market conditions. D. Increase in the demand for the product. E. Inflation. 13. Who assumed the weak ordering as a principle to explain the behavior of an ideal consumer? Options: A. Adam Smith, B. Alfred Marshall, C. Samuelson, D. J. I. Hicks, E. Arrow. 14. For the firms and industry to be in equilibrium in the long run, it is essential that, in the long run, the normal price should be equal to the A. Total cost, B. Marginal cost, C. Average cost, D. Selling costs, E. Marginal and average. 15. Underdumping, the foreign market demand curve faced by the monopolist is. Options: A. Vertical line, B. Horizontal line, C. Increasing upward curve, D. Downward sloping curve, E. Concave curve. 16. Who developed the theory of long-run group equilibrium by means of two demand curves? Options: A. Don Patinkin, B. Hicks, C. Chamberlain, D. Baumol, E. Pecou. 17. The concept of excess capacity is associated with. Options: A. Perfect competition, B. Monopoly, C. Duopoly, D. Monopolistic competition, E. Monopsony. 18. Who presented the kinked demand curve analysis in non-collusive model to explain price rigidities often observed in oligopolistic markets? Options: A. Professor Chamberlain, B. Professor Sweezy, C. Professor Allen, D. Professor Hicks, E. Professor Jose. 19. In which market situation, the firms in a particular industry decide to join together as a single unit for the purpose of maximizing their joint profits and to share the market? A. Perfect competition, B. Monopoly, C. Oligopoly. 20. Who first introduced implicitly the marginal principle in distribution? Options: A. Alfred Marshall, B. Pigone, C. Adam Smith, D. Hicks, E. David Ricardo. Thank you.